Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. I do appreciate it. I love when you guys leave comments. I love talking with you guys. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join us. I do unboxings, review videos, haul videos, giveaways. It's always a great time. And make sure if you like the video to give me a big thumbs up. That does help me. But as you can see from the description below, we do have our November 2018 Lip Monthly. And I think the bag is cute. I don't know that I really think it's November-y. This would to me almost be more like an April showers type bag, but it's still a cute little bag. So let's dive in here and see what November has in store for Lip Monthly. And for those of you that do not know, Lip Monthly is a subscription service that every month you receive 4 to 5 full-size lip products, and it is $12.95 a month with free shipping. So here we have Give Them a Reason to Stare, November 2018. And it says, welcome to the November 2018 bag. This month we have curated a lineup of products that will help keep you shining bright as the days get shorter and the nights get longer. Show us your bag for a chance to be featured on our Instagram at Lip Monthly. And it says, did you hear we launched a new website? To celebrate, we are offering our members $5 off any one-time purchase on our online store with promo code NEW5. And that is good through December 31st. So there is the card. So let's just go ahead and see what we have in here this month. So the first thing I'm pulling out is from Mirabella. And it says Color Vinyl Lipstick. I'm guessing the color is Vintage Vibe. Ooh, I like the packaging here. Yes, Vintage Vibe. Ooh, okay, so we have a very pretty red, like a classic vintage, just classic red. Very, very pretty. Great for the holidays. So I'm happy about that. You have to line it back up just right to get it to snap closed. So product number 1, yay. Okay. So the next product or products is, we have 3 of the South Main lip gels. They say they help to soften, moisturize, and plump. Apply onto lips and leave on for 10 minutes to soften and moisturize lips. They are cruelty-free, which is great. So I like getting lip mask, especially this time of year. It is finally getting cooler here in North Carolina, so I love having like chapstick, but I do sometimes after a face mask, I like to throw on a lip mask, and that helps to keep my lips moisturized. So I'm excited. We got 3 of them, so that's not bad. So far, so good, in my opinion. The next item is, this says Jelly Pong Pong Lip Butter Balloons. I like saying that name, Jelly Pong Pong. Is there a perforated edge to open you or not? It does not appear that there's like a perforated edge anywhere on here. I'm kind of having to struggle. And it really is a struggle because I'll be honest, I could not sleep. So it is actually about 5 o'clock in the morning right now. I couldn't sleep, and I was like, you know what? I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. And I had me a cup of coffee. Then I was like, hey, I've got like 5 videos I need to do, so what better time? All right, so I got it off. So yeah, Jelly Pong Pong, and it says lip butter. Oh, okay. So it's like a lipstick, and it's a pretty nude color. Loving that. I love the name. I think the packaging is super adorable. So yeah. I'm like really liking this month. And our last item is from Jersey Shore Cosmetics. It says Glossy Balm Star Mint. This is cruelty-free, all-natural, non-GMO, organic ingredients. So it is just basically a nice lip balm. I'm assuming it's minty because of the star mint, which I like. So we have basically like a chapstick lip balm, the Jelly Pong Pong, which I just think is really fun to say, nude lip color. We have the gorgeous red from Mirabella, and the 3 lip masks from South Main. I think this was a really good bag. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Let me know if you get Lip Monthly. And like I said, please do, any questions, leave a comment. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you haven't, go ahead, hit subscribe. We do, like I said, all kinds of unboxings and reviews and haul videos. And then, like I said, I do giveaways quite frequently. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.